Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Sanat bin Shafi. I am studying in grade 2. My school name is Brainy Stars International Holistic Montessori School. Today my topic is multiplication. Skip count to find the answer related to addition and multiplication. Dash buttons of dash holes each. How many buttons are there in one group? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 buttons. How many holes are there in each group? Each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 holes. Let's do addition. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 holes. 4 buttons, 5 holes, 4 5s are 20. Thank you.
Jazakallah.
Jazakallahu khairan.